In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Lovisa discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search right here for Lovisa discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponchief.com, and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promotion and discount codes that you can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 65% of all purchases, all you need to do right here is select get promo code. And as you can see, this is a promo code right here. You can simply tap on the copy button and you can copy this promo code and use it on your next order so that you can get the 65% discount. Also, going back to our main search, you have this website which is called Marie Claire. And right here, as you can see, you also have some vouchers that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this up to a 15% discount of Lux Bows, all you need to do is simply select get offer from right here. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. You can simply select the visit Lovisa right here, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the promotion will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.